We are a global company. The GHS VSD Plus is a global product, so we test it for our global customers. We want to be able to place the unit anywhere on Earth, and even in the tightest spaces. That's why it's so compact. Every square meter of floor space matters. In fact, this pump can fit through a regular sized door. It features a vertical drivetrain, a signature of Atlas Copco products. This vertical design delivers high performance with a minimal footprint. You'll be hard-pressed to find more flow per square meter. Since this pump will be sold worldwide, we also make sure to test it for all possible voltages and frequency standards. Sometimes I'm in here in my shirt sleeves. Sometimes I have to wear a winter coat, because we adjust the room temperature to stress the unit by simulating different climate conditions, from the desert to the Arctic. This GHS VSD Plus will deliver reliable performance. The GHS VSD Plus is not just a world-class vacuum pump. It's a pump built and tested for the whole world.